somebody had requested POV mode, so here we go. This is for you, man. Shout out to you. I'll put your name in the description. You know who you are. Thank you for subscribing, and thank you for requesting the POV mode. Again, we're riding a 2021 Dodge Charger SRT HELLCAT wide body. The exterior color is frostbite blue, pearl, I think that's what they call it, and the interior color is Napa leather in demonic red. So here you go. POV. Paddle shifting. It does rev matching. My SRT dashboard setting is custom. 717 horsepower. Transmission in sport. Paddle shifters on. Traction in street. Suspension in sport. And steering in sport. Hopefully you can see that from here. You can zoom in. That's my custom mode. I like driving in that manner because the steering wheel stiffens up and the suspension is just enough because I'm lowered, and the transmission is quite aggressive. Not quite as aggressive as track mode, but it's quite aggressive. Shifts quickly, downshifts quickly. Hear that whine? It's coming from a leg maker cold air intake, but I modified it to fit in a JLT box to sort of isolate it from heat soaking, because HELLCAT engines are pretty hot. All of these mods are documented in the channel if you want to look it up and want to watch it. Now, the exhaust that you're hearing is not a stock exhaust, is a GT Haas American Roar Racing exhaust, which is full catback, 3-inch pipes all the way from the cats to the back with a 5-inch exhaust tips, and it's technically straight pipe, but it has a couple of small resonators in the rear, and the exhaust tip has a little split in the middle to get that distinctive GT Haas sound that you're hearing right now. radar detector is an Escort Max 360. I've had it for maybe 8 years now. It's pretty fantastic. The car is ceramic coated, and it's well maintained and garaged. Brembo brakes. In manual mode, the MPG lowers because you're always aggressively putting on the high RPMs. Throttle that aggressive, it pushes you to the seat. It's amazing. It's an amazing feeling. But obviously, if you do it too much, that's probably 1/4 throttle. If you do it too much, it will spin out the tires, it will blow out the tires. It's just too much torque. So you just can enjoy driving the HELLCAT, just listening to that whine and listening to that exhaust. Hopefully you enjoyed this POV drive. Let me know what else you want to request. I'll try to make a video just for your entertainment. Thank you for your subscription. I appreciate your support. Comment below. Take care. Bye for now.